So bro, having teach financial literacy, investing, at the same time you have your clients no sa number financials. What are the common tingin mo mistakes that people are doing no, especially which for us no as listeners no or watching this tonight no, ano ba yung pwede namin maiwasan na ano ba yung mistakes na nakikita mo usually na ginagawa ng mga Filipinos in regards to investing?
I think the first one, and this one's very relevant, the first
Yeah.
one talaga is not starting. I think
Okay.
we should all agree there na may mga, and I think I posted it nga on my Facebook na parang you attended a financial seminar, you watched all the YouTube videos and playlists, nagbasa ka ng psychology of money, pero hindi ka pa nag-i-invest, di ba? So just start today.
Yeah.
That's the most important thing, and especially while you're young, just
Yeah.
start today.